friends, Tiffy Pie here. Or, you know, everybody who's 35 years old as a grown adult wants to be named as Tiffy, but I made the mistake in, I don't know, 2002, deciding that was my screen name. So now that's my name. Today we are doing an unboxing of 50 pounds of DIY denim from thredUP. I just took the tape off the box. It was $50 plus tax. Shipping is free. I'm a VIT, a very important thrifter, so shipping is free for me for any purchase over $29. My pups, Jackson and Cassie, will be joining us because if I lock them out, they'll scratch the door the entire time. So I'm going to split this up into two. I have the first box open. We'll take a look, and then we will pause and open the second box later. All right, so we have our signature green polka dot and another award-winning box from thredUP where the whole busted side is open. I don't even understand. It's like they get disintegrating boxes somehow. So the first pair is a pair of vintage Wrangler. Oh no, I'm sorry. They are fake Wranglers from Shein, which I do not support Shein at all. So I don't want to throw it in the garbage because that is a waste, but I will donate these to the local thrift store because I don't sell that in any of my platforms because they do not do good business practices. So they allow child labor, they don't pay enough for their labor. So that is a hill I will die on. I do not sell any Shein in my closet. If this turns out to be in great condition, then this is freaking awesome because it's a good American size 4-5, which is like an extra large jean jacket. It doesn't look like it has any damage on it. I might cry, that'll be awkward for everybody, but this is a hell of a win for the top of my box, so I'm pretty excited about that. We've got a pair of can shorts. They're super tiny. The size is cut out, but I can tell they're like a size 0 or 1. I do almost always source can if it's a good price. Really, guys? Okay. A pair of Hollister denim, size 28. They appear to be skinny, good condition. We're gonna pause right here because my friends cannot handle when I do anything without them. Note, they have not been off the couch in 2 hours until I pressed play. We're back. It has been, to put it mildly, mayhem in my house. So honestly, the past year has been crazy, but the past couple days have been super tough. So my husband, you might see Joel, he does some of my videos. He did the boots, repolishing, whatever the heck you want to call it. He's gonna take the dogs, so hopefully we can keep getting through the rest of this box. So the next item I see is Tinseltown. It's a cute brand. It's a little pair of denim shorts, but I'm gonna scooch a little bit closer too, now that the pups aren't in here. They're cute, but they're gonna go to the thrift store because I just know that they won't really turn around a good profit for the time that I would have to go into posting them. Vanilla Star, same thing, cute little pair of shorts. They're size 1, but they'll be great for the thrift store. Or I have a person that I met through Facebook Marketplace who comes and takes boxes of my smaller clothes. So I put a box together for them and leave that on my porch. That helps a lot. The next is a pair of Old Navy curvy bootcut jeans. They're a size 10, good condition. I might actually list these, so we'll see. Oh, nope, they have a stain on them, so these will potentially get thrown away. I might make them into cutoffs, I don't know, because I hate throwing things away. It's so wasteful. I don't like putting anything in the landfill. A pair of Gap Always Skinny, size 29. A really fun polka dot print with some distressing on them. They look like they're in good shape, so they will probably get listed, but they might actually go on Whatnot. So they'll go into the figure it out later pile. A pair of So from Kohl's little shorts, size 3. Those will get donated or put in that box that I'll put together for the person who comes and grabs my porch pickups. These are for Renzia, size 12. They look vintage. They have some wear on them. I'll have to do some research to see if there's any value to them. So these will go into my things to research pile. Workshop Andrea Jovine Petite. They're an 8 petite. Maybe like a skinny straight leg. I don't know that brand, so that'll go into the things I don't know about pile as well. Some older Gap jeans, size 10. They're like a crop. Pretty sure that these will get donated, but I will definitely look and just see. Every once in a while you get totally surprised by something. A Gap Sexy Boot Cut, size 10. Looks like they might have some paint on them, but are overall in good condition, so at worst they'll get donated. American Eagle, size 2. They are a jegging, little bit of wear, so I'll probably donate them. Not enough wear that they don't have life left in them, but probably too much wear to list. A pair of H&M shorts. They're really, really cute, so I might put these on Whatnot because they've got a really cute style. They're a size 6. They're a high waist and a fun green color. American Eagle, these are the curvy, super high-rise jegging crop in size 12 long. These look like they're in really good condition. These are actually my size, so I'm gonna try them on, but if they don't work for me, they will get listed because they're in very, very good condition. A Lee pair of jeans, size 16. They are like a straight leg, really good shape. Again, I'll check comps because sometimes things surprise you, but no matter what, they will find a home at the thrift. Oh, I mentioned the thrift. In some of the other videos I share this. So I volunteer once a week at a thrift store locally in town here. It's called Tri-Valley Haven. It supports the homeless community as well as a battered women's shelter. So anything that I don't use from any of the boxes I get, I take to them and donate because the 100% of the profits go to help the community, which is something that's very important to me. This is YMI Slim. Great condition, size tag is cut out. Those will probably be donated. SP Black, size 26, like a skinny jean that is distressed. Again, I don't know anything about that brand, so I will look that up too. Some Paige Very Tiny jeans, the Verdugo Ultra Skinny in size 24. They look to be in good shape. Don't have too much wear on them. Paige is an interesting brand, so some of their styles sell for a ton and fast. It's very much a cult favorite, and then some of their stuff you can't sell for anything. So that'll be definitely one that I'll be looking up. American Eagle, there is some puckering. It's a jegging in size 0. These are too puckered, too worn, so those will probably be one of the few that I toss. Again, I hate throwing anything away. American Eagle, probably from the exact same person, another jegging in size 0. Again, a lot of puckering, so those will probably get tossed as well. There's too much wear in them, and I don't want anyone to get them. American Eagle, size 0, again, probably from the same person, high-rise jegging. But these only have a little bit of puckering on them, so I may list them or I may donate them, but these are salvageable because the puckering is not very bad. Workshop, size 18W. Some wear between the thighs, but they're a nice skinny legging, so I think that they're in good enough shape that they can either be listed or donated. I'll check the brand information on that, see if there's any comps on them. Old Navy, size 20. These are cute. Good size, good shape, good condition. Might list them, might add them on Whatnot. The price point is so low, it'll be about $1 a piece when I'm done, that Whatnot, it does actually, I can turn a profit, because if they sell for $4 or $5, it'll still be a little bit of a profit. D jeans, size 4, a skinny jean. There's some decent puckering on the back. Yeah, these have seen the end of their life. So the Good American Jacket was a huge win out of here, but everything else, it's not a super great box. Time and True, some high-rise skinnies from Walmart. These have a little bit of puckering. Yeah, and they're stained, so these are gonna go too. So this is a little bit of a bummer. I absolutely hate throwing things away. I'm gonna pause right here while I put on the second box and see if we can get some better ones.